In a city shadowed by defeat, Maya watched her art studio burn to ashes, yet chose to seek a new flame. Her pain became a furnace, refining fear into discipline as she rebuilt with thrifted canvases, mentors, and stubborn hope. Across another city, Alma survived a career-ending injury, harnessing grit to choreograph recovery and inspire others. Both stories converge on the moment when pain is reframed as fuel, a single choice igniting resilience. The fire trial ends not in flawless victory, but with a truth that fire awakens power when courage fuels every spark.